never been an absent father. No matter how broke you are, be there for your children. Those few cents are helping for matters. Sometimes to be there for your children, you are still alive. You know that it's grace, you are still alive. Be there for your kids. Even you know that you separate with the mother of the child, because when you are separating with the mother of the child, it doesn't mean that you are divorcing a child because you are divorcing with your wife. You are divorcing your kids too. No, it's not good. So sometimes, guys, to be there for your kids is good. Most of the men, they are supporting step daughters, step sons, or they are supporting those girlfriends kids, side chick kids, but they don't support their kids. I don't understand why men, they are doing those things, because most of the time you are divorcing your wife, you are not divorcing your kids most of the time. So guys, it's good, because most of the men, they are supporting those kids, they are not their kids. Maybe it's your girlfriend's child, because you are in a relationship with this woman. Yes, it's good, you are in a relationship with this woman, we meet here with her child. Yes, you have to support that child like your child, but you have to support your children first, your blood first, because your blood is very important. Because most of the men, when they are separating with their mothers, they are not divorcing kids. You are not divorcing kids, you are divorcing your wife, not your kids. So sometimes, don't be absent in your children's life. Sometimes pay attention, especially men, guys. Men, they want maybe your mother to call them every time. Please, I want help, I want help. You have to, sometimes, guys, be be there for your kids. Maybe you have to call first. You are asking your kids, how is my kids, or you want to meet your kids. Sometimes it's better, even you don't have money, but it's better to pay attention on your kids. You know that even women, we know that my baby daddy, he doesn't have money, but he is trying to pay attention on his child. Is better than a person who is quiet. You know that, especially men, I don't understand, they are so ignorant sometimes. And especially, maybe it's back to school or Christmas, you have to call him every time. I want money for kids, or what. Every time he doesn't call, or call first, you have to call him first. And sometimes, you can saw that person, maybe you are forcing him to support kids, or to be there in life, in your children's life. He doesn't want, and sometimes it looks like we are forcing him or something.